In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a search bar in Google Sheets. We're going to build a simple responsive search bar that filters your data as you type. First, choose an empty cell to act as your search box. Near the top of your sheet works well, so it's easy to find. For example, you can use cell B2. This will be the place where you type the text you want to look for. Keep it empty for now and make sure T here is a clear space nearby where the results can display without bumping into existing content. Next, click the cell where you want the filtered results to begin. This should be the top left corner of the results area. Make sure T here is enough room below it and to the right, because the results will automatically spill into multiple rows and columns. With that cell selected, enter this formula exactly as you see it. Filter A5, D100, Isember search 2, A5, A100. Here is what it's doing. Filter is the engine that returns only the rows you want to see. In this example, filter is set to return rows from A5 through D100. You can think of A5 D100 as your full data table. The second part, Isember search 2, A5, A100 is the test that decides which rows to keep. Search looks for whatever you typed in your search cell. B2 inside the values of a specific column, in this case, column A from A5 to A100. Search returns a number when it finds a match, which represents the position of the found text, and it returns an error when T here is no match. Isember then converts that result into a simple true or false. True when a match is found, false otherwise. Filter uses those true and false results to display only the matching rows across all columns from A to D. A few helpful notes as you use this. Search is not case sensitive, so it treats uppercase and lowercase the same. It also supports partial matches, which means typing part of a word will still find relevant rows. If your search cell is blank, every row will match and the entire A5 D100 range will appear. If no rows match, you'll see a message indicating no results were found. This simply means nothing in that column contains the text you typed. Adjust the ranges A5 D100 and A5 A100 to match where your data actually lives, and if you want to search a different column, just change A5 AA100 to that column's range. Now, type into your search cell and watch your filtered list update instantly.